Hey there, gardening enthusiasts. Did you know that growing carrots in containers can actually save you a ton of space and give you more control over the quality of your soil? Stick around as we dive into some tips for a bountiful harvest. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the world of container gardening and how it can be a convenient and rewarding method for growing delicious carrots right at home. Presentation of problem or challenge. Before we get our hands dirty, let's address some common challenges when it comes to growing carrots in containers. Issues like ensuring the right soil depth, proper watering techniques, and selecting the perfect container size can make or break your carrot growing experience. Exploration development. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty details. We'll discuss the best container options for carrots, the specific soil requirements to promote healthy growth, the ideal growing conditions to maximize your harvest, and strategies for keeping pesky pests at bay to ensure a successful cultivation journey. Climax key moment. Are you ready to get planting? Let's showcase a step-by-step demonstration on how to plant carrots in containers. Pay close attention to our key tips that will guarantee a bountiful harvest. From seed selection to proper spacing, we've got you covered. Conclusion summary. To wrap things up, let's recap the essential points we've covered today. Container gardening for carrots offers numerous benefits, including space-saving solutions and the ability to customize your soil. Remember, attention to detail is crucial for a successful harvest. Call to action CTA. We want to hear from you. Share your own experiences and tips for growing carrots in containers in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening insights, tips, and tricks. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.